Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TSLA Tesla. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quite the eventful day on this one with the S&P news, and now moving forward, at least in my mind, there's two really critical levels that really stand out, which is important because from a trading standpoint, you want to know those levels that a lot of other people are watching, because when you know lots of other people are watching those levels and wondering the same things, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can produce some very dynamic movements. So that's what I want to mainly focus on here. And there's two main levels that I think a lot of people will be watching. And the first level is right down here at 436. I think that is going to be a level that many people, and rightfully so, it's a logical area to watch given the track record of it behaving as support, are going to be watching and wondering, if the price comes down here, can the price stay above it? If it breaks down below it, while nothing's guaranteed, I'm just trying to get at the point of, it's a rational thought. It's plausible to think, a break of that level could create some additional downside selling pressure. So 436 is certainly going to be a key level of support. Then again, in my mind, a lot of people will be watching. On the flip side of things, as far as areas of resistance are concerned, that's where this 448 mark comes into play. Again, every breakout player and their brother's uncle is going to be watching it, and rightfully so. I mean, you look through the history of things, rejected the price again. So it's more than plausible to think that if the price works its way up there, can get there, and then get a break up through it, that break in and of itself could create quite a bit of upside buying pressure. So none of these things are guaranteed to happen, but remember, as traders, our job is to not act in random ways, right? We want to make at least plausible decisions, and both the 436 and 448 mark gives us, ways to act in rational ways, which are by no means random because there is quite a bit of a track record at each of these levels. So those are going to be the two main technical points that I'm watching moving forward. So let's see how the price reacts and behaves relative to those couple of areas. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.